Today, we're entering a real restaurant. You will listen, you will repeat, and you will learn how to speak English with confidence.
Imagine this. You walk into a restaurant. There are people eating, talking, laughing. A waiter comes to you, and the conversation begins.
Let's practice this slowly, clearly, and step by step. Hello, welcome. How many people?
Repeat after me. How many people?
Now you answer. 2 people, please. Repeat. 2 people, please. Sure, right this way.
Let's learn some useful sentences you can use when entering a restaurant. Repeat slowly. Do you have a table for 2? Is there a waiting time? Can we sit near the window? Can we sit outside? Can we have a quiet table?
Excellent. These phrases help you speak politely and clearly. Here is your table. Please have a seat. Here are your menus.
Repeat after me. Thank you.
Another useful phrase. Can I see the menu, please? Repeat slowly. Can I get you something to drink?
Repeat after me. Can I get you something to drink?
Now you answer like a real customer. I would like water, please. I would like a cold drink. I would like orange juice. I would like a soda. Repeat each one.
Now practice a complete sentence. I would like a glass of water, please.
Perfect.
Repeat after me. Water. Sparkling water. Juice. Orange juice. Apple juice. Milkshake. Coffee. Tea. Lemonade. Soda.
Excellent. These are the most common drink words. Okay, 1 water and 1 orange juice. I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
Now, imagine you are looking at the menu. You want to make a good choice. You want to understand everything. Here are useful sentences to ask the waiter. Repeat after me. What do you recommend? What is popular here? What is this made of? Is it spicy? Is it sweet? Is it vegetarian? Can you explain this dish?
Appetizers. Main dishes. Side dishes. Desserts. Drinks.
And common foods. Chicken, beef, fish, salad, soup, pasta, rice, vegetables.
Good. You're building vocabulary step by step.
Are you ready to order? Repeat after me. Yes, we are ready to order.
Now the waiter asks, what would you like to start with? Repeat.
Answer like a real customer. We would like to start with a salad. We would like to start with soup. Repeat both options.
Please. Thank you. That's all for now. Take your time. No problem.
These polite words make communication easier. Here are your drinks. Your food will be out soon.
Repeat after me. Thank you very much.
Now, I want you to speak with me. Repeat. I am looking at the menu. I am choosing my food. I am thinking. I am ready to order. I am waiting for my food. I am excited to eat.
Nice. You sound more natural already.
Are you ready to order your main dishes? Repeat. Yes, we are ready to order.
Great. Now let's learn how to order a main dish. Repeat after me. I would like the chicken pasta. I would like the grilled fish. I would like the beef burger. I would like the vegetable salad.
Sometimes you want your food in a special way. Repeat slowly. Can you make it less spicy? Can you add more vegetables? Can you remove the onions? No sauce, please. Extra sauce, please.
These sentences help you order exactly what you want.
Perfect. I will place your order. Your food will be ready soon. Repeat. Your food will be ready soon.
Take a breath. Relax. You're doing great.
Let's continue. So now we're sitting at the table, waiting for our food. This moment is important because many English learners don't know what to say. Let's learn simple, natural sentences people use while waiting.
I'm excited to try the food. I hope the food tastes good. The restaurant looks nice. The atmosphere is really relaxing. The menu had so many choices.
And sometimes people talk about the day. They share small conversation. This is called small talk. In restaurants, small talk is very common.
Small talk examples. This place is beautiful. The music is really nice. I love the lighting here. I'm hungry. I'm glad we came here.
Here you go. 1 chicken pasta and 1 grilled fish. Enjoy your meal. The sentence, enjoy your meal, is used everywhere. It simply means, I hope you like the food.
You can answer, thank you, or thank you, it looks delicious.
Now, imagine you take the first bite. Maybe the food is amazing. Maybe it's too hot. Maybe something is missing. Here are common things people say naturally.
This tastes great. This is really good. The food is delicious. It's a bit too salty. It's too spicy for me. It's perfect. If the food has a problem, you can use polite English. Excuse me, this is cold. Could you warm this up? I think this is not what I ordered. Could I get a new one, please?
Being polite is important in English-speaking restaurants. Waiter walks by. Is everything okay?
In most restaurants, the waiter will check on you. You can say, yes, everything is great. Or, if you need something, can I have some extra napkins? Can I get some more water? Could you bring some ketchup? Can I have a fork, please?
Many learners hesitate to call the waiter. Here are natural ways. Excuse me. Sorry, can I ask something? Hi, can you help me?
You don't need to shout. Just lift your hand slightly and say, excuse me.
Now let's make the scene more realistic. Imagine Leo and Sara are actually eating.
This fish tastes really fresh. It's cooked perfectly. The flavor is nice. I love the sauce.
This pasta is creamy. It's very soft. It tastes better than I expected.
You can also say simple emotional reactions. Wow, this is amazing. This is good.
These simple expressions help your speaking sound natural.
Sometimes you want to know more about what you're eating. Here are natural questions. What ingredients are in this? Is this dish popular? How spicy is this? Is this made fresh? Is this dish gluten-free? Is this dish sweet or salty?
And the waiter's common responses. It's not very spicy. It's made fresh every day. It's one of our popular dishes. It has chicken, vegetables, and sauce. Yes, it is gluten-free.
If the waiter speaks too fast, you can use simple sentences instead of repeating the same thing. You can say, "Could you say that again? Could you speak a little slower? I didn't understand. Sorry, what does that mean?"
English speakers understand. They will slow down for you.
In most cultures, people don't talk to the waiter while eating. But in English cultures, it is normal. You can say, "The food is delicious. We love it. Great recommendation. Everything tastes good."
These simple comments show appreciation and make communication easier.
Maybe there is a problem with the dish.
Here is calm, polite English.
This is a little undercooked.
This is too salty for me.
I ordered something different.
This is not what I expected.
Could you please check?
Avoid aggressive words. Stay polite. Your tone is everything.
How is everything?
Everything is good, thank you.
Let me know if you need anything.
Sure, thank you.
I'm getting full.
This portion is big.
The taste is amazing.
I'm really enjoying this place.
Same here.
The food is fresh.
And the service is nice.
These are the common sentences native speakers use while eating. We ate our food. We enjoyed the meal. Now we are moving to the next stage of the restaurant experience.
Asking for dessert.
Asking for the bill.
Paying politely.
We will continue from exactly this point, without repeating, without restarting. Okay, we finished our main meal. Now it's time for the next step in a restaurant.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
You can answer simply, "Yes, please," or "Sure, I'd love to." If you don't want dessert, "No, thank you."
I'm full, thank you.
Here are common dessert items.
Chocolate cake.
Ice cream,
Fruit salad.
cheesecake,
Brownies.
apple pie, and natural things you can say.
This looks good.
I want something sweet.
I feel like eating ice cream.
That cheesecake looks amazing.
Can I have the chocolate cake?
Can I get one vanilla ice cream?
I'll have the fruit salad.
Just one slice of cheesecake, please.
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Here is your dessert. Enjoy. Simple reactions. It looks delicious. Wow. This smells really good. Nice presentation.
And when tasting, this is amazing. It's very sweet. It's soft and creamy. This is perfect.
Now, the dessert is done. You feel satisfied, and it's time to end the meal politely. Useful sentences. I'm done. I'm finished. That was great. I enjoyed the food. I'm full.
Here are natural ways to ask. Could we get the bill, please? Can I have the check, please? May I have the bill? When you get a chance, the check, please.
All of these are polite and common. I'll bring it right away. When the bill comes, you may see subtotal, tax, service charge, tip.
Different countries have different rules about tipping, but here are simple sentences you can use. Is service included? How much is the total? Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash?
Here you go. Natural ways to respond. Thank you. Here you are. Keep the change. I'll pay by card. We'll pay together. We'll pay separately.
If the marker doesn't work, could you try again? I think it didn't go through. Let me try another card.
When you stand up to leave, thank you for the meal. Everything was great. We enjoyed the food. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a great day. That was a good restaurant. I liked the food. We should come here again. The service was nice.
Natural English for real life. Natural and clear. So, what did we learn today?
We learned how to order food, how to talk to the waiter, how to ask politely, how to describe taste, how to ask for the bill.
All with simple, beginner-friendly sentences.
So that completes our restaurant experience. No intro, no repeat, just full conversation.
And we are ready for the next episode.